Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out the latest trend on the internet. And here you can just open your browser, and there are two ways that you can do two methods. The first one is that you can just search on your Google in here and just type in what is the latest trend on the internet. This one, and just click on enter, and you'll find at the top there is this Google trend. So you can use this method, or you can just go directly to the Google trend. You can just type in trends.google.com, this one, and you can just explore what the word is searching for right now in here. Or you can also just type in this trending now. So you can see these are what's currently trending on my country. Here, if you are on you want to change the country, you can just click on this, and here you can click on the drop down and choose the country that you want. You can also change the time. Click on this all trends, or you can also show active trends only, and here you can also adjust by relevance, recency, search volume, and title. So I'm going to change, for example, here the country into US. You can just click on this, and it will reload and change the result. You can also change the view rows per page. I'm going to go with 50, for example, and you can see these are what people search for on the internet now, especially on Google. And if you want to export the result, you can click on export button here. You can click on download and as CSV, or you can also copy this whole text to your clipboard. So that's how you can find what's currently trending on the internet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.